Halor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na kabenta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Nakalang jong ka Shillong ka asyan, ibang pao ka jing sosi yung kha. Aba ngadu no kansan niya ba Dister Marbañiang, ibolong ni President jong ka East Kastil District, but tunjur bilalong teng ex-member jong ka Shillong ka asyan. Iba Dister ilong brave, iba trash jong ma cricket, but tunjur kumbang tip entah i bat ya President jong ka East Kastil District di trash jong kenuan peni ya ki kena nak kita hajit itu syang keleng district, pada tulik keleng district, pada manwat yang kena kasih jini, pada pada dia kait kan tiket. Kejingdu Jingkhlad Kyndit apa jini kapulong jingdu ini kemakau lah, pada state berok kawai, madi beri bertrish tam, ada museum, dan kata kaman jini baik menuju perkat yang kamu jam page lah yang kriket asmat. Jadi Halor kini ni berpau pada institusi usaha pada menjuru ni pak yang Sngewlem syariah yang kesem dan buat Dister iba lakhlak no di mata nak kalian jangka Shillong cricket asian yang Jepang minit mangin sabja kum kejing Sngewlem nak mentari jadi. Nilai terpang tu, nak betai ibadas, lakhlak no, bawa beli undang kat bayi, bawa dari bidung bijing, kipok beriat, bawa dan hai bawa beli, kata cimak di, bawa bini no, bawa isyanin, dia berkunjung berinjak hai, ia jejak hai mau cukup. Sementara ia nak jadi ada penulis message, dari treasurer ini, bawa kiblat.
To the family of Mr. Dister Marbañiang, we extend our deepest and most heartfelt condolence to the family of Mr. Dister Marbañiang, our esteemed former member, on his sudden death and ultimate demise. His passing is a great loss not only to his family but also to all of us who had the privilege of knowing him. During his time with us, he was known for his dedication, humility, and the positive spirit he brought to the association. His contributions and presence will always be remembered with great respect and fondness. In this moment of profound grief, we pray that the Almighty grants you strength, courage, and comfort to bear this irreparable loss. May the cherished memories of his life bring you peace and solace in the days ahead. Please know that our thoughts and prayers are with you and your family during this difficult time. May his soul rest in eternal peace.
Pidan dukan marbam ndai compare la ka bared ka pidi harut surok ni ka bahe kum ki restaurant bat ki way ni pishat roti shat cake bat ki way na ka benta ka koi ka khya chong ki pat ba nong bam nong di pat ba phinyo ka jingshania naki pidan kam bandon de ka license ka papaka ka bala ithu da ka an kata ka Food Safety and Standards Act arachar henril link ba ka section lai phoi iwe Kamde ka ba bapinyo ka license pila ba na apply ko online link ba ko website foscus.fssai.gov.in da ka ba pihap pan upload ru ikot kisla badan kam kat kum ka jingkam jongpi pila ru banyak kendo iki designated officers lani food safety officers ke badan hak office terekam jongu lani ka district medical and health officer habaro ke district ke badan hamigalaya latno tanga is khasihers pila banlet bed chak office terekam jongki ka commissionerate of food safety ke badan Halor la chumya nakabenta ka kot kakya kinong bam nong di lawan Rashapi daga Commissionerate of Food Safety, Government of Meghalaya, bat balakershan daga Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.